Hey guys, Mega here. Hope everyone is doing well and having some great holiday food. Don't forget to save some for me. Also, hit that sub button, leave a comment if you've heard of a more luxurious numpad. It's free, so why not? Thanks. So, here are the parts. We have the glorious Lynx switches, lubed and filmed. Some AKKO ASA matchas. And the KBDPAD itself. It's aluminum and heavy in all its glory. Aluminum plate too. So safe to say it's a full aluminum board, right? Except for the parts that can't be aluminum. Of course, like the switches, stabs, and you get what I mean. So while we were unboxing this KBDPAD, we discovered something so gross. It's a stock cable. So I had to throw it away instantly. But also, don't you just love when keyboard makers box their boards into this horizontal foam thingies and make it look all professional and so fancy? They did it with the AIO3 boards, as far as what I was seeing on the YouTubes. And I guess they're doing it for this one as well, because it's also made by AIO3. They should really make this like a universal thing, you know? It's really cool. It gets separated, you don't have to stack it and everything, so it's cool. And can we also just stop and appreciate this wonderful PCB that was designed by them as well? Like, it's a small PCB, but look at this. It has multiple layout support. Like, the attention to detail in the design of this board is just... They really pulled all the stops in this one. It's worth the money, I tell you guys. And don't you worry about the stab wires. I actually straightened them in the background when I wasn't recording. I don't usually show the straightening because it's kind of boring and really tedious, and it takes a long time. Actually is the longest thing to do when modding the stabs, and is one of the most important things. I also discovered that when you tap on the stems of the stabilizers with the tape or the bandage, they will magically become Holee modded. It's a secret, don't tell anyone. Only you guys watching will see. Can I just say, this is the first time I've tried these stab washers, and oh my god, I can't tell you how annoying it is to have the stab washers fall off just when you're screwing the stabs on. But this one has the sticky part behind it. Oh my god, it's the little things. It's the little things. KBDfans, I see you, man. We just added some tape mod on the back, you know, half TLC, if I could say that, to make it sound a little bit better than stock, since I'm not gonna add any foams behind it. And hey, look at that PCB being exactly the same size as my tape. Satisfying. And put some keycap magic on for this tiny heavy brick of a numpad. Actually built this board as a part of a commission with a GMMK Pro. But you guys have seen too many GMMK Pros already. But this numpad, not too many I'm guessing. Thanks for watching. Subs and comments are highly appreciated. Questions and violent reactions may or may not be responded to. Happy New Year!